Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm going to be showing you guys my bullet journal layout for the year. I know it's kind of halfway into January already, but I still wanted to show you guys how I set up my bullet journal for this year and this month. So this is what my bullet journal looks like. I just ordered it off of Amazon. It was like $10, but it's super cute, so I really like it. And the first thing I want to show you, excuse all of this, I used the wrong marker to begin with, so it bled through, but it does come with this cool content table, so you don't even have to draw one in yourself, so I really like that about this. Moving on from that, I just wanted to show you guys how I did my yearly layout. I did it really simple this time. This time I didn't do a page for each day just because, I mean, I'm really lazy and I know I will not keep up with it because I had a hard time keeping up with it last year. So I kept it really simple and minimalistic, and this is what the yearly layout looks like. It just has all the months and then whatever important days I have at the beginning of each month, I will just write them in right here. Once again, just ignore this. It bled through. Don't even look. Don't look. Just look at this page right here. This is what the January layout looks like. It just says Hello January. I kind of kept it very outer space themed with all the constellations and stuff like that. So I just put all of the dates right here. And then on this page, I have my monthly layout, so I just put all the video ideas that I have. I just put check boxes so I can check off whichever ones I do decide to make, and then just like the events that I have this month, as well as this is like a growth chart, so if I have any new subscribers on YouTube or any Instagram followers, that'll go right here, and I can fill in a bubble for each of them. And then I decided to put in a quote. I think this one's really cute, so I went with that. And then this is just some notes. If certain things happen during the month, I can write them down right there. This is my monthly goals. Then I have the birthdays of the month and then things that I need to do this month. So not like events, just like kind of like errands or like things I just need to get done. And then right here, this is my habit tracker. So as you can tell, very inconsistent. And I haven't read it all this month. But this is where I'm at right now. It's the 11th when I'm filming this. So this is what it looks like. And just filling in anything as I go. So that is the monthly layout for January. I think it's really cute with the whole outer space theme. And then onto the weekly layouts. So instead of doing like a page for each day, I just decided to do only the weekly layouts, and then whatever I need to get done for the day, I'll just put right here. And then any events or anything happening in the week, I will put it in this little box right here. So like you can see the themes. I did like a moon theme, and then there's like a star theme, constellations. And then right here, there's like planets. And then this one's the sun, and then this one's like rockets and stuff. And I just ended this on the 31st. I didn't go on to the 1st because I know I'm gonna make another page for the days in February, so I didn't even bother on this month. Back to the weekly layouts at the beginning. Last week I didn't have much going on, so that's pretty much blank. But then this week I put all of like the workout classes that I have, anything that I'm doing. Like I'm reminding myself I need to go swim after work today. If I need to clean, I'll write that right here. And then when I decide what I'm gonna clean, I'm just gonna make a little chart right here so I remind myself. And then I just put little quotes at the corner because it just makes it cuter. And then I haven't filled out the other ones yet, but I'll fill them out as I go. And then at the end, I just wanted to show you guys this. So I'm keeping track of like the measurements of my body. Stay down. So I'm keeping track of the measurements of my body. So I put a little chart right here. So for each part, and then how many inches it is. And then in this little section, I'll just put like plus or minus however many inches for the month. And then if I think of any more end of the month charts, I will put them on this page as well. So yeah, that is my monthly layout and my yearly layout for this year. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.